Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make this cool intro using CapCut. It's really easy, so just follow my steps. Open CapCut and create a new project. Then, import the template for this video. I will leave the template link in the description of this video so you can download it from there. As you can see, this is my video, and the next step is to add the text that we want for our intro. So, click here to add the text. I'm only going to write intro. Now, you can select the font, color, style, and so on for your text. The very important step after this is to click on animation and now find the faded wipe right button. Set the duration of the animation to 1.5 seconds. Now, the last step is to adjust the beginning of the text. So, adjust the start of the text with the smoke template that we have added. And when you adjust it, you can export your video by clicking here. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.